Hello friends, peace be upon you all. There is an image, with uneven skin. We will smooth skin. Smooth will do it in such a way, that its edges are not blurred. May the skin be smooth with it. Let's get started. Press Ctrl plus J 2 times to make 2 duplicate layers. Change blend mode to vivid light for top layer. Press Ctrl plus I to invert it. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Gaussian blur is a filter that softens an image by blurring it, typically applied to reduce noise, smooth edges, or create a hazy effect. Make radius value 20.0 pixels for Gaussian blur. Then press OK. Select below layer, and press Ctrl plus E to merge. Now go to Image, Adjustment, Hue and Saturation. Hue and saturation allows you to adjust the color, saturation, and lightness of your image. Make value of saturation to -100 and then press OK. Press Ctrl plus I to invert top layer. Again go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Make amount for radius 3.5 pixels, then hit OK. Change blend mode to Overlay. Overlay blend mode is powerful tool for creating contrast and enhancing details by blending layers. Create mask on this layer, and press Ctrl plus I to invert mask. Then pick Brush tool. Brush tool is fundamental painting tool used for applying color, textures, and effects to images. Mode is normal, opacity is 100% and flow is 100%. Adjust size of brush accordingly. And start painting the skin. Let me speed up the video. Remember, do not paint edges of face, like nose, or lips, or eyes. Do not paint edge of chin. Select an active background layer. Press Ctrl plus J to make duplicate layer. Then select top layer, and active both layers, then press Ctrl plus E to merge. Press Ctrl plus J 2 times to make 2 duplicate layers. Select top layer, and press Ctrl plus I to invert it. Change blend mode to vivid light. Then go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Make value of radius 8.5 pixels. Radius typically refers to the degree of roundness for corners of shapes. Then press OK. Select an active top and below layer. Then press Ctrl plus E to merge. Ctrl plus E is keyboard shortcut used to merge selected layers. Now go to Image, Adjustment, Hue and Saturation. Again make value -100 for saturation. Hue refers to basic colors and saturation describes purity or intensity of color. Then press OK. Press Ctrl plus I to invert. Again go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Make value 3.5 pixels for radius. Then press OK. Change blend mode to Overlay. Overlay offers more noticeable contrast enhancement compared to soft light or hard light. Create mask on this layer. Select an active mask, and press Ctrl plus I to invert mask. Change opacity of brush to 60%. Other setting, as it is. Flow is 100%, Mode is normal, smoothing is 10%. Now, start painting edges. Paint those edges we left before on the lips and nose. Remember, foreground color is set to white. Paint every edge on face with brush. Paint on eyes and now see the skin of image. Texture of skin is safe. And skin is smooth as well. Select both layer and press Ctrl+G to make group. Here is image before, with uneven skin. And then here is after. Look at texture of eyes. We protect eyes texture as well. It's because we repeated blur steps. But we reduce values in second step. Watch carefully, if any area left then paint it. Paint it nicely and carefully, so you can smooth skin of your image. Here is before, then after. This is image with uneven skin. And then after. I hope you like this way to smooth skin. If so, then hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.